You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this winged horse in Harry Potter. It's a name from Greek mythology, in case you didn't know. Thestral. Thestral is how it's said. Thestral. And now you know. Stay tuned, because we're going to be learning how to say more names from Harry Potter. Here they are. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.